Hi, I'm Randy Altman with Post Perspective. We're here at NAB 2025, and this is Casper from Ghost Kits. Hello.
Hello.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Now, you have some new technology.
Yes.
Tell people what your company is,
Yes.
how it originated,
Okay.
and what this is.
So this is a Wi-Fi and cellular hotspot and router device that mounts onto your camera, and it goes wherever your production takes you. You can be connected online. So it allows you to be connected to the cloud and to use camera to cloud workflows that are already integrated with your camera. So you just connect to the Ghost Kit wherever you are. And then you want to know how it started,
Yeah,
right?
exactly. Were you a user and you had this problem and you needed to create a solution kind of thing?
Yeah, absolutely. So I work with Fujifilm, and they're one of the early adopters of C2C, Frame.io's camera to cloud.
Sure.
And so when I was working with them, I was tasked with the ability to get all their cameras connected online to use C2C. And I said, well, I'm having a little trouble when we're out in the middle of Florida or when we're in California. So I don't know how to get this connected. And so I searched online to see if there was any products that were available for me to use.
Yeah.
And there was nothing available. So I went to my best friend and I said, hey, so I kind of need a really reliable connection that's mounted onto your camera. Can you make me a box that does all of this? And he said, absolutely. And we started a business together and created Ghost Kits.
How long ago was that?
So we started prototyping about a year and a half ago. I bought a whole bunch of small devices and kind of crammed them in a small box. And I said, I kind of want this, but with our own technology, of course. And he said, okay, I think I can do that. And we just started prototyping. This is Alpha 2. So this isn't our go-to-market design. It's going to be a little bit different, maybe a little smaller. But it shows all the capabilities and allows you to connect to the cloud.
How much does it weigh?
It weighs 1.28 pounds.
Wow.
So just around 1 pound. You can lift it up if you want.
Sure.
It's very light.
I won't break it, maybe. Oh, sure.
Yeah. So it doesn't really add much to your already existing kit. So it's good.
Are there people using it now out in the field?
Yes. So we have a lot of case studies out with different production companies. And we have a case study that's going to be happening in May with WWE. They came to us and had a very common problem, which is that they are having all their photographers take 1,000 photos in 5 minutes. They're then transferring it to the SD card. They're running it over to the hard drives, connected to a person that just has a hard drive. The hard drive is then running it over to their server. And he goes, can we bypass all that running? And can I just go directly to the server? And we said, absolutely. So with this, you can be connected and you can do an FTP connection with the Sony camera, which is what they're using for their case study. And then it can go directly into their servers with a VPN tunnel, which we're installing for them.
Interesting. So it's not like you need to be in the wilderness shooting. You could be in an arena
Yes.
with sweaty men.
Yeah, with sweaty men.
Yes.
And the arena poses a really interesting complication, right? Because you have thousands and thousands of people using the bandwidth. So
Yes.
we knew that this problem was happening, and we went to SoFi Stadium to test the Ghost Kit there. So with thousands of attendees, we were able to still connect and have 60 megabytes speed up going and streaming everything to the cloud.
That's very cool.
Yeah.
It's very cool.
It's a cool box.
It is.
I very much love it.
So if people want to buy it, test it out, where can they go? What should they do?
Yeah, so they just need to go to www.ghostkits.com, right? And then there's a shop link, and you can pre-order it now. We have a NAB special, which is a 50% deposit. So right now, the total price is $849.99, and you can get a deposit for $425. Is that the right math? And then when we deliver it at the end of the year, you just pay the second half of the deposit. But we're running this April special right now for it.
Fantastic.
Yeah, and then all the data runs through this. So you don't need to put a new SIM card or anything in this. It runs by just turning it on. And then you pay a subscription service to us for the data, which is $7 per gigabyte.
And what is it made of? I mean, it's got to be robust.
Yes.
In case people be dropping.
Yeah, it's very like PVC, LP technical.
So they don't have to worry if they drop it.
Yeah, if they
it's
drop it.
safe.
We famously opened it out of the box and we were like, oh, this is wonderful, as it dropped to the floor, and it didn't shatter or anything, and we go, oh, well, great.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, so, and we're going to, I think on our roadmap, we'll have future like weatherproof models, and we'll have different things customized to what the user needs. So definitely stay tuned if you follow us on our website. We have a newsletter, and we'll be pushing updates through that constantly.
Fantastic. Casper, thank you so much for stopping by.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
This is very cool. Good luck with it.
Thank you.